Hello everybody, this is me Johan here. The Samsung S10 Lite by itself has a great camera system. Is it good enough to beat the latest Google camera version 8.1? Let's dive into it. Alright, let's start with daylight. The selfies taken with the stock app turn out bright and gives the skin in particular a whitish glow, at the same time making the background look a bit washed out. The selfies taken using Google Camera come out looking super detailed and sharp and more real to life, perfectly preserving the background areas as well. Moving to the rear camera in daylight, the stock app again is able to capture bright and vibrant pictures. The Google camera again adds more contrast, giving it a natural look, preserving all the details in the process. Moving to low light selfies, with night mode on, the stock app takes pics which look soft and a bit washed out. Selfies with the Gcam night mode look crisp, detailed, and way better than the stock app. Shots taken on the rear camera stock app night mode again look over-brightened in the process, washing out the details. The Gcam night side completely outclasses the stock app by getting some incredibly detailed and color-accurate low-light shots. The Gcam is a huge winner in terms of low-light photography. Now moving to videos. Slow motion cannot be taken as of now as the app tends to crash whenever enabled. On normal mode, the videos work fine and come out looking just fine. To conclude, Gcam 8.1 is definitely better than the stock app provided by Samsung and especially makes up for the stock app's poor night mode. The link to the Gcam port is in the description below. It works best on phones with Snapdragon 800 series chips. The list of devices it will work on are also mentioned in the file. A word of caution, do not install it on phones which have lesser power than the Snapdragon 720G, as anything below that will struggle to process pics taken with HDR on regularly, resulting in slow processing speed and frequent app crashes. Anyways, for those who want to try it, the link download for the latest Gcam 8.1 APK, as mentioned before, is in the description below. Wishing all of you a very happy new year 2021. So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys loved the video, I'd appreciate it if you guys could give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do hit the bell icon so that y'all get notified with the latest and greatest videos the second they're uploaded on YouTube by me. So what else can I say? Wishing all of you a tremendous day ahead of you. Ciao for now.